In this video, we'll learn how to add games to your Discord server profile. First, open Discord and right-click on your server. Then go to Server Settings and tap on Server Profile. Scroll down and select the game you want to add. You can even add multiple games to your Discord server profile. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.